liter EcoBoost registered trademark engine targeting segment best horsepower and torque, and advanced 4x4 system with class-exclusive twin-clutch rear drive unit with a differential lock feature ready for fun. Class-exclusive features designed for life on the trails include Safari style roof enabling class-leading NG headroom and a cargo area high enough to hold two 27.5-inch wheel mountain bikes. More than 100 factory-backed and aftermarket accessories are available to transport gear such as kayaks, surfboards, skis, and camping equipment. Please register the software.